watching Morning Bites, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility.
Good morning and welcome back to Morning Bites, your premier source for industry news, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility. I am Anushka Wani, digital editor for EM Magazine. I am here to navigate through the complexities of the industrial and business landscapes with today's key headlines. Joining us, as always, Dr. Anil Lamba, financial literacy activist and author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
If you know how to read balance sheets, it will come to your aid on numerous occasions. For example, in your business life, you bump into a potential customer. And the customer says, I can give you a very, very large order. But your normal policy is to give 30 days credit. I want 300 days credit. Should you say yes or no? Should you say no only because 300 days sounds unreasonably long, inordinately long, and in the process lose a very big order? But on the other hand, if you say yes to the wrong kind of a company, you'll never recover your money. If you knew how to read a balance sheet, you would take a more sensible decision, a wiser decision. In your personal life, somebody comes to you, says, give me your life savings and I'll give you some ridiculous 80-90% interest per annum. Should you say no only because the interest sounds too good to be true and in the process lose a once-in-a-lifetime offer? But on the other hand, if you say yes to the wrong kind of a person, you never see your money again. Read the balance sheet. Who's making the offer? How many people used to come selling to us at one time? Timeshares. And so many people lost money. And along the way came Mahindra Holidays, the whole scenario changed. Read the balance sheet. Who's asking for it? You go to a bank to ask for a loan, the banker says, bring your balance sheet.
Thank you, Dr. Anil Lamba, for sharing your valuable insights on financial management. Let's dive into today's top stories from the industrial world.
Bansal Wire Industries stocks opened at Rs 353.85 and closed at 350.3 on the last trading day. Businesses must now submit reports on their transactions with MSEs every 6 months. Carl Zeiss to invest Rs 2.5 crore in India. And TVS in talks to invest a sum of £200 million in Norton Motorcycles.
Our first headline for today talks about the Bansal Wire Industries stock price. The company's stocks opened at Rs 352.85 and closed at Rs 350.3 on the last trading day. During this time, the highest price was at Rs 369.95 while the lowest was at Rs 344.2.
At 0.0 crores, the market capitalization did not change. 368.7 was the 52-week high, while 335.85 was the 52-week low. There were 296,178 shares traded on the BSE during the day.
Next up, we have an important update. As per the recent notification by the Medium and Small Enterprises and the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, who have mandated all companies to disclose information on payments made to ensure transparency and accountability in the business's financial details.
All businesses that deal with MSEs must file the new Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise 1 form on MCA V3. This is true regardless of whether they owe any of these suppliers money that is late by more than 45 days.
Our next headline talks about Carl Zeiss's new investment plan for India. The Germany-based Carl Zeiss is planning to invest a total of Rs 25 crores in India.
Carl Zeiss is planning to set up one of its biggest lens factories in Bangalore, India. This plant will have 5 times more production than the existing facility, which is also located in Bangalore.
Coming to our final headline for the day, TVS is in talks to invest a sum of £200 million in Norton Motorcycles, which is one of Britain's leading bike maker.
Over the next 3 years, Norton plans to introduce 6 new models as part of an expansion of its product lineup. It is anticipated that the growth and investment initiatives will position Norton for successful international growth, including in India.
And that wraps up our today's episode of Morning Bites. Thank you for tuning in and staying updated with the latest trends in the industrial and business world. A big thank you to Dr. Anil Lamba for his valuable insights on financial management. We hope you found today's stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to join us next week for more news updates from the industry. Until then, stay informed and stay ahead. Have a great day.
You are watching Morning Bites, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility.